Founded in 2003, JAXA was established after merging of three space agencies in Japan. JAXA is responsible for research, technology development, and performing various advanced operations and missions to various asteroids, moon, and other planets. Japan being one of the technically advanced country, it is not new that the space agency have launched some seriously good missions, including Akatsuki, which entered into Venus orbit, and Hayabusa, which collected the samples of near-Earth asteroid named as 25143 Itokawa. They also created their own new propulsion system called as Solar Cell Propulsion System, which they used on a mission to Jupiter. JAXA also have collaborated with various space agencies like NASA, ISRO for more innovation in space technology. Hello everyone, I am Varun Chauhan, and in this episode we are going to explore and find out future space missions JAXA have planned. So let's get started. JAXA have planned to launch LIGHTBIRD, which is a planned small space observatory that aims to detect the footprint of primordial gravitational waves on cosmic microwave background. It is in the form of polarization pattern called as B mode. LIGHTBIRD is planned for a duration of 3 years and will convincingly explain various cosmological observations. The launch is scheduled for this year, that is 2020. JAXA have planned to launch Smart Lunar for investigating Moon or SLIM in year 2022. It will demonstrate precision lunar landing. The lander will use recognition system to recognize the craters on Moon and will land with pinpoint precision. The recognition signals will be sent by the lander to orbiter called as Kaguya. Accuracy range of lunar landing of SLIM will be 100 meters. So if compared with Apollo 11 landing, whose accuracy was 20 kilometers, it is very small. The lander is going to be launched using H2A rocket from Tanegashima Space Center. The cost of the whole project is 18 billion yen. X-ray imaging and spectroscopy mission is going to be launched using H2A rocket in first quarter of 2022. The mission will carry X-ray telescope which can provide breakthrough in finding out the structures of universe, finding more about dark matter and dark energy, and in studying about galaxy nuclei. The project, being one of its kind, will act as a next generation space telescope for X-ray astronomical field. Destiny Plus, or Demonstration and Experiment of Space Technology for Interplanetary Voyage Phaethon Flyby Does Science, is a planned mission to fly by meteor shower of parent body 3200 Phaethon. It will also find out various minor bodies originating from the rock comet. The mission Destiny Plus is going to be launched using rocket Epsilon in 2022. The spacecraft will contain multiple and telescopic camera to understand the mechanism of dust ejection. The spacecraft will fly by as close as 500 kilometers from the asteroid. MMX, or Martian Moon Explorer, is a space program which will be used to collect and bring back samples of Mars' biggest moon Phobos. The mission will collect samples as well as fly by from Mars to know its climatic condition. The duration of the mission is 5 years and will be carried out using H3 rocket. The mission is planned for 2024 and it's scheduled to collect the sample in year 2025. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you would get notified each time a new video is up. Thanks for watching and stay curious, my friends.